Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start in Settings so you can change the display behavior immediately. First, unlock your iPhone 14 Pro and open Settings, then tap Display and Brightness to reach Display Controls. Once there, look for Always on Display. It appears under the Brightness and True Tone options. You're taking away the ambient screen that stays lit. This saves battery and prevents unwanted notifications from showing. Now that you're in the right menu, get ready to flip the switch and confirm the change. You can turn Always on Display off with a single toggle. Tap it so the switch moves to off, and watch the display preview change. If iOS asks you to confirm, accept the change. This ensures the phone stops updating the lock screen when idle. Once done, make sure Auto Lock is set to your preferred timeout and check focus and notification settings so the lock screen behavior matches what you expect. These steps prevent unintended wake-ups and maximize battery savings. After turning Always on Display off, restart your iPhone to ensure the setting applies system-wide. Press Volume Up, Volume Down, then hold the side button until the power slider appears. If the toggle won't stick or the screen still shows content, update iOS. Many glitches are fixed in updates. If problems persist, reset display settings or contact Apple support. One key troubleshooting tip: always check for pending iOS updates before deeper resets, because most bugs are resolved by software patches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.